Do you need a link in bio page for your social media or a navigation page for your business? If your answer is yes, then you can easily craft one in seconds with Forms app profile. Plus, it's free. Now, let's get started. First, go to Forms app and click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Once you choose Profile, you are in our Profile Builder already. Here you can add your photo or business logo, write a welcome message for your visitors, add your links, such as your website, and lastly, give people a way to contact you by adding your forms. Once you're done with adding elements, simply go to Design and customize how your profile looks. You can choose our handcrafted themes or change everything manually. Lastly, go to Share and choose a sharing option, such as a link, QR code, or business card. You can even adjust the meta details to show when you post your link. That's it! Now you know how you can create one page to navigate your audience right. Go to Forms app and build your own profile today.